How to delete Snapchat data without deleting account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can clear or delete Snapchat data without deleting account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you have to launch Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Once you're here, tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. Again, head towards the settings icon right here. Now, if you want to clear your conversation or clear any type of data, you have to scroll all the way down and navigate towards account action section. So here, if you want to clear the conversation, tap on clear conversation option, and here you have to select the conversation that you want to delete. Then tap on the cross icon next to that conversation, and then the conversation will be deleted. Head back, and if you want to clear any of your AI data, tap on clear my AI data and then tap on confirm. With that, your AI data from the application or the Snapchat application will also be deleted. If you have any search history that you want to clear, tap on clear search history and then again tap on clear, and this will clear all your search query history on Snapchat application. If you want to clear your recent product, you can also do that. Simply tap on clear recent product and all the details will be deleted. But if you have a specific type of data that you want to delete, then you can download or delete the details data like login history or Snapchat history. So for that, all you have to do is from this page, scroll all the way down. There is an option as My Data. Tap on it. Now scroll down a bit and select the type of data that you want to delete. Then tap on Next. Here, provide all of the details, and once done, tap on Submit. Once you submit your request, Snapchat will provide you a file with all of your information regarding your application or your account. So from there, you have to download the file and there select the specific type of data that you want to delete and delete from the file. So in this way, you can delete the Snapchat data without deleting account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.